Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your own silk press at home and everything that you need. So I love to use this Suave Keratin Infusion smoothing shampoo and conditioner right here. It is so good on natural hair. Do not underestimate this shampoo and conditioner. If you get a chance, go pick it up at your Walgreens or Walmart and let me know how you guys like it. This is the shampoo right here, and I love how it is lathering up and giving my client a good scrub, a good clean. And yes, her hair is soft as I am washing her hair. And yes, guys, I really love this shampoo, so don't underestimate it. And now I'm going in with the conditioner, and I am making sure I am being very generous with the conditioner. I'm getting it on every single area of her hair, and I'm just going to take small sections and comb through it. Guys, honestly, this conditioner immediately softened her hair. As you can see, my customer's hair is color treated. It's colored, and I like to use a really moisturizing detangling conditioner on all my color treated clients, and this one is amazing, guys. Even look how it's defining her curls, and it's just so simple and easy to comb through and detangle. So if you have clients, or if you're doing your own hair and you're a little tender-headed, this is a good conditioner to use because it will detangle your hair immediately. And so now I'm just sitting her under the dryer for about 20 minutes. You can do 30 minutes if you want, but just make sure you sit under the dryer. And now I am using the Tresemme heat protectant spray. And you want to use a heat protectant on your hair when you're doing a silk press at home. I'm also using Biosilk. Now I just pulled this from my hair travel kit because that was the first thing that I can reach. And no, actually I ran out of the one that I use at my salon. So I just grabbed this, and you're also going to need this to do your silk press at home. So you want to start out with using a heat protectant first. Once you have that heat protectant in, go ahead and rub that through. And then I'm taking my Biosilk and I'm just running that all through her hair as well. You can use it on wet or dry hair. I usually like to do it on wet hair because it really helps with smoothing out the hair while blow drying. And guys, stay tuned to the end of the video because my client is challenging me to do a human bouquet floral arrangement on herself. So this is her getting ready. She's getting ready to put her press and curl. She's getting ready to put her press on nails on, and yeah, so stay tuned to the end of the video. And then this is the hot comb that you would need to get around those edges. I picked this up from Target as well, and I believe it was like under $20. So this is the pressing comb. It goes up to 450 degrees. It has a button right there, and it will continue to blink until it is fully heated up to the temperature. And if you look closely right there, It goes from 1 to, I believe, 20. So you can turn it up as high as you want or as low as you want. And on the side is the dial where you can turn those numbers up. It also has a little flip plate so that you can flip that up and lay that on your surface so that you won't burn your surface. And the teeth on the comb is very fine, so it's going to get your edges and all the hair around your perimeter really nice and straight. And as you can see, it's still blinking, so it does take time to warm up. But it's very wide, wider than the normal pressing comb I usually use. And it's still blinking, so it is taking quite some time, but there's the on and off switch right there. So I'm just going through and now I'm pressing my client's hair out, and you want to make sure you take small pieces when doing your silk press at home. Take very small pieces. And you want to do the chase method. You want your flat irons to chase the comb. That's what gives your hair a really nice smoothing silk press. You have to allow your flat iron to chase the comb so that it can really smooth out well. And I apologize, guys. I don't think this was too good of an angle to press out my client's edges right here, because I did the other side and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I just want to show you guys how this pressing comb, it does do a great job with pressing out your edges and the perimeter of your hair. Just make sure that flip plate is down, because if you leave it up, you can burn your skin. So I just wanted to show you real quick that the light did stop blinking after a while, so the comb is fully ready to be used. So again, just take your time and take small sections and use that chasing method to get your hair pressed out really straight when doing your silk press at home. And if you notice, I'm only doing one pass. I'm not doing two passes, because I want to be able to watch how much heat I put on my client's hair, and you want to do the same at home. And then just make sure you go ahead and trim all your ends. You can comb everything to the front, to the sides, to the back like a bowl, and then you just trim the little tips of your hair. So my client is not leaving her hair straight, again, because we're doing a human bouquet, a human flower bouquet photo shoot for her. So she is getting her hair curled. So I just want to show you how you can curl your hair with these flat irons as well, or some curling irons. But yeah, you can leave it straight or you can curl your hair. But her hair is feeling really nice, really soft and silky, and I didn't put too many products on it. What you saw is all I put on her hair, and it has given her hair so much body. So I am done combing my client's hair, and again, she wants to be a flower bouquet, so I made sure her hair was nice and curly to match all the flower arrangements that you guys are going to see me put together. And yes, look at all the body and the bounce in her hair. So yes, this is me constructing her into this human bouquet. This was her vision, and I will link down her information in the description below so you guys can see her on her social platforms. But guys, this was such an amazing idea and it was fun to do, and this is how everything came out. So guys, you can do your press and curls or silk presses at home. Let me know what you guys think and how your silk press came out doing it at home. Thank you guys for watching.